Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate the two-factor authentication in the AnyDesk application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are inside the app and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on them and here you should choose the fourth option on the list, which is settings, and after that the second option, which is security. After doing so, you should scroll down a little bit and you will find here the second category, which is permissions, and here you will find the third option, which is enable two-factor authentication. Just press on it and a new window will pop up to you with a QR code. Now you have to scan this QR code with another smartphone and certain apps, for example the free OTP or Gout. And after you scan the QR code, you have to enter here the verification code, and finally you just have to press on enable at the bottom of your right corner, and two-factor authentication will be enabled like that. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.